Today we'll be looking at how we can use audio sources to make attenuation edits to a 3D sound coming from a jukebox in the game world. This audio implementation process is essential for determining at which distance a player can hear a specific sound while playing the game. To start with, open up the Jukebox 03 folder, go to Prefabs and drag and drop in the Jukebox 03 asset into the game world. Next, create an empty game object and attach it to the jukebox. Rename the game object Jukebox Music. Click on Jukebox Music and add an audio source via the inspector pane. Then click on the audio folder in the main assets folder and drag and drop the sax music file into the audio source on the game object. Make sure to have the play on awake and loop boxes ticked to ensure the audio will play and loop continuously. To make this a 3D sound, we need to go down to the spatial blender bar in the audio source and drag it all the way to the right. The spatial blend sets how much our audio source is treated as a 3D sound in our game world. 3D sound sources are affected by spatial positioning and spread, allowing for attenuation edits to be made to our sound. Next, we need to go to the 3D sound settings to adjust the volume roll-off and the minimum and maximum distance. This will determine at what distance the player will hear the sound, as well as how the sound will fade in and out in the game world. First of all, I'd recommend setting the volume roll-off to linear roll-off. As you can see on the graph, this gives the sound a gradual incline, similar to if you were approaching a sound in the real world. All that's left to do then is make the edits to the minimum and maximum distance roll-off. I'd recommend setting the minimum distance to 3 and the maximum distance to 25, due to the fact that this is a small map. Now when we play the scene and gradually approach the jukebox, the audio gets louder.